process starts when the coil is hoisted into a coil car with a capacity of 15 tons. Then the operator feeds in the strip through precision mechanical controls at the operation desk. The strip is immediately fed into the leveler for tension relief. The gauges between the leveling rolls are individually adjustable at the inlet and outlet of the leveler. After leveling, an optional film laminating device may be installed, if needed, to laminate film on strip for protection before cutting. Passing through the pinch rolls, the strip is cut to length by the shears as required according to the operator's settings. This shear is one of our breakthroughs. It is different from the traditional type, and we call it a rotary shear. It saves a lot of time and cost through its totally non-stop cutting action during processing. 3 different preset numerical parameters can be stored in the PLC control system, including the cutting length, total quantity, and the quantity for each pellet. If any slight size difference is found to be caused by the material, this can be made up by resetting the compensation parameter. This line is equipped with 1 piler for short sheets and 2 stackers for long sheets. The 2 stackers are interchangeable, which reduces idle time and increases the output quantity. By means of electrical controls, the operator can easily adjust the position of a stacker side regulator and stopper. Furthermore, our stacks can be connected with an automatic storage system, which will create maximum management benefits with minimum manpower, resulting in even greater competitiveness.
坚持贴心的设计，坚持实用的产品，坚持最好的给你。
We are also proud of our slitting line. As in the cut-to-length line, the whole process is subject to precision control from the coil loading step onward. The next step is leveling. We have installed a crop shear at the exit of the leveler to trim the beginning of the strip. There are 2 loops in this line, and the first one is after the leveler. When the strip starts feeding and stops with ending, the overbridge tables rise immediately. Once the line is ready for operation, the tables drop to form the loops. Four pairs of photocells are installed on the walls of loop. These detect the strip depth in the loop and feed the signal back to the PLC in order to adjust the leveler speed to keep the proper strip length automatically stored in loop. As in the cut-to-length line, we can install a film laminating device if the customer requires it. Before it enters the slitter, the side guide first controls the position of the strip. The strip is thus slit straight with accurate width. No crawling occurs. Our initial design was a response to the cruel competition in today's market. Speed is absolutely one of the keys to beating out competitors. Our thoughtful design, which includes an exchangeable train type with 2 slitters on a rotating platform, allows one slitter to operate while the other is remounting the slitting tools. This decreases idle time and increases capacity and competitiveness as well. Generally, how to smoothly deal with scrap trimmed from both sides is also important. A guide tube is used to lead the scrap into high-speed rotating cutters to be cut into pieces, after which it is conveyed to a scrap bin for disposal. After being slit, the strips pass through another loop to cross over the separator roll. The separator roll can be slid out for rearrangement according to the width of the slit strips. Its main function is to prevent the strips from clashing with each other and interrupting operations. After the separator, the strips enter the tension unit, including both a felt tension pad for mild steel and also a tension roll specially designed for stainless steel and surface-treated steels. These tension rolls can generate the required tension without scratching the surface. After being guided by the deflection roll, the strips are pulled to the mandrel with proper tightness to ensure that the wall of the rewound coil is smooth and straight. The rewound coils are then unloaded from the mandrel and hoisted away for packing. The unique overhung mandrel manufactured by CSM is designed to feed the strips with a smooth angle and eject the rewound coils without jamming. A special vise can tightly clip every strip, even when there is a big thickness difference between the coil center and edge. The most important feature is our seamless mandrel design, which avoids causing any unnecessary damage to the inner layers. This advantage is particularly noticeable when the material is in thin gauge. By minimizing production loss, we can maximize our customers' profits.